Today I am going to show you how to hide a file or folder. So without help of AI, I am going to show you how to hide a particular file or folder without a use of any app. So first of all, you need to go to File Manager or File Explorer. Then go to a place where you want your hidden folder to be placed. Suppose I am trying to place a hidden folder right here, right under the download section. So scroll down a bit and go to download section, and here are some folders. Then I am trying to make a folder which will be hidden. So first of all, what I need to do is to create a new folder whose name starts with a dot. So look carefully. First of all, create a new folder, and before the name of new folder put a dot. Then click on OK. Now as you can see, the folder just vanished, or you cannot see the folder. To see the folder, you have to click on the option of show hidden folder. Now here it is, you can see the dot new folder. Now suppose I am putting a file inside this folder, and yes. Now what I am trying to do is to hide a particular file. So any file I am putting inside the dot new folder will be vanished from it. Now click on hide hidden folder, and the dot new folder will be vanished. So any file whose name starts with the dot extension, those files are hidden inside the Android phone. So in this way we can hide any particular file or folder without using any app or any software. So if you like the video, please share and subscribe and give it a like. Okay, if you have any comment, you can you can ask me in the comment box. If you have any question, or if you have any suggestion for making a new video, you can ask me in the comment box. That's all for today.